A Detroit mother says trying to do the right thing got her interrogated, arrested, and charged with 2 felonies that ruined her life.
But did Detroit police officers cross the line during an intense interrogation that was caught on camera?
7 investigator Ross Jones reveals what experts are saying about this tonight.
I never was going to admit to anything that I didn't do. I'm not no thief, but they didn't care.
Sandra Wilson faced 4 years in prison for a crime she says, and video shows, she did not commit. She was charged with 2 felonies after police accused her of helping to steal a credit card left behind inside this gas station. Her crime? Taking it from the counter and handing it to a woman who, she says, told her it was hers. Turns out police say the card belonged to a different customer in the store. Sandra says she was trying to be a good Samaritan, but Detroit police said she was part of an elaborate scheme and arrested her.
Yeah. All right. Well, I guess this is what you've...
No, because this is what y'all want to do to me.
After being interrogated, she was in lockup for 3 days, lost her job, and spent the next 4 months fending off 2 felony charges until Judge Paul Cusick would finally throw the case out. Shocked it ever got this far.
Absurd and ridiculous and wrong. And this was not a thorough investigation.
But aside from a shoddy investigation, did the officers who interrogated Sandra violate her constitutional rights? Tonight, there's evidence that they did.
I do have to advise you that you are the focus of the investigation at this time.
This is video from Sandra's interrogation after she voluntarily showed up at the 7th Precinct hoping to clear her name. Minutes after she sits down, Sandra is told she's a suspect. She says she wants a lawyer.
So I'm going to read you your rights, okay? Now, I'm a reasonable person.
Can I call my mom and have them get me a lawyer real quick? Because this is...
That's fine. You want an attorney?
I need an attorney.
Right at this point, it should have been clear there shouldn't have been any more discussion.
We showed the interrogation to 2 different experts. Wolf Mueller is an attorney who specializes in wrongful imprisonment cases, and Carl Marlinga, a former judge and prosecutor.
The magic words are, if you say lawyer or attorney, every experienced police detective knows that after that, questioning has to cease.
But Sandra's interrogation didn't stop. It continued for 30 more minutes.
Miss Wilson, would you like to provide me with a voluntary statement today?
I don't know what y'all want me to tell y'all. I just walked in the gas station and y'all took a picture of me and ruined my life.
Do you
Hold on,
want
you gotta relax.
I don't know what y'all want me to say.
It kept going until Sandra said something that officers believed was evidence of her guilt.
Who do you give that card to, Miss Wilson?
I gave the card to the man behind the counter.
We know that's a lie.
Who did I give it to? I said, here's the card. Is this your card? I don't know. I don't know them.
It's clear from the interrogation video that Ms. Wilson didn't even recall exactly what happened.
Brandon McNeil is Sandra's attorney who defended her at trial, where the detective who interrogated her would testify.
The defendant stated to me that she took the card off the counter and gave the card to the clerk.
McNeil says DPD violated his client's constitutional rights. Judge Paul Cusick never had to rule on whether they did because he threw the case out on its merits. He didn't think there were any.
I don't think the victim was well served in this case, and I certainly don't believe this was fair to Ms. Wilson. Motion for directed verdict granted.
But tonight, Wayne County's prosecutor is defending how this all went down, saying that because Wilson was not yet in custody, her right to an attorney did not apply. The experts we talked to disagree.
While she may not have been in custody and handcuffs when she came in, she is being detained. You don't have to be put in handcuffs before your constitutional rights start.
I don't believe that this is close. I think that this is a pretty clear case where any statements that the suspect made would have to be excluded.
Through a spokesperson, DPD says this interrogation is now under investigation. Tonight, Sandra Wilson is preparing a civil lawsuit against the department. She says it's the only way they'll learn from what they did to her.
It could happen to you because it happened to me and I lost.
Ironically, DPD has still not apprehended the woman they believe fraudulently used that credit card. She still remains wanted tonight. From the newsroom, I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.